Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp web. So all you have to do is to go to a web browser. It can be Google web browser or any web browser, but here I am going to use Google web browser and look for WhatsApp web. Okay, so you can tap any of this here. For example, the first link or the first site. So this is what it looks like. Now you can download WhatsApp for Android, iOS, or Windows. Okay, but you have to look for WhatsApp web and it's here. So you have to tap this one and it will take you directly to this. Okay, so we have your instructions. Now, if you want to know more about WhatsApp, you can simply scroll down and go to this site here. Okay, so this is a bit information about WhatsApp. Okay, now let's move forward to logging in using QR code or how to use this WhatsApp web. Okay, so now you just have to get your phone or any device, and all you have to do is just simply go to your WhatsApp mobile. At the top right corner, click this three dots here, and then go to settings. Click this QR code, click scan code. And here all you have to do is to point the camera to this WhatsApp web QR code here. And then click continue. Then tap link a device. And that's it. You are now logged in to your WhatsApp web. So a bit of information, even if you're using your WhatsApp web, you can still use your WhatsApp on your mobile. So I really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.